who is a qualified chartered accountant since 2009. He also cleared his CS by securing All India 10th rank in Inter and 5th rank in CS final. He has been taking classes for accounting, advanced accounting, and financial reporting for a very long time. His core philosophy for success in CA exam is understand and remember. CA exam tests not only the ability of a student to remember facts and figures, but also the student's analytical capabilities. He believes in first strengthening the conceptual understanding of the student. He gives various diagrammatic explanations and goes the last mile to ensure even an average student gains the benefit of understanding the topic. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Student Notes Ka Master, CA Arjun Rao sir.
So I'll just give you a small example. So you have a Benz car, okay? So you have a Benz car, the latest model, and you're in a race. So you go to the petrol bunk, you fill petrol, full tank, okay? But you don't close the lid. Without closing the lid, you just go off. So will you win the race? All the petrol gets evaporated. So the same way is revision. You can keep putting stuff in your brain unless you revise. It's like moving without closing the lid, okay? So revision is very important. Whatever you study, unless you revise, it's not going to register. So you have random access memory and you have hard disk, right? So if you don't revise, it's like it's there in random access memory. It has not yet come to your hard disk. So all you need to do is revise. And I'd just like to share a couple of points. What Srija did this time, I thought it was very innovative. Two things. One is she and Simran, they would prepare some questions, especially these objective type questions. They would ask each other, okay? I think that's something that every one of us can do. You work along with a friend. So both of you study 2 chapters. The first person prepares questions from one chapter and the other from the other chapter. You ask each other. They used to send each other voicemails, I believe, on WhatsApp. They used to, so that they don't waste each other's time. So she would just ask questions, she would record and then she would send it. So that's something you all can do. Okay, you can help each other that way. And another thing that she did that I would like to share is, she said every day she would spend 1 or 2 hours. She would take a question paper or a revision test paper and she would have a separate notebook. She would note down the question number and she would actually write those questions. So not only for problems, even for theory. She used to write those questions and then she used to compare with the answer and then she used to note down which word has not come, what their expectation is, where she is lagging behind. So this, she said, helped her a lot. Okay, so these 2 things I think every one of us can follow. So you can help each other, work along with a friend and make sure you write. So the key is keep revising. That's all you need. Okay, so thanks a lot.